Hello and welcome to Folding with Judy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fold some muslin bibs. So without further ado, let's start folding. So the first fold is a very simple fold. You could probably do it with your eyes closed. This is the first muslin bib and it is the average bib, as you can see. With that said, lay your bib down on a flat surface and straighten it out. Flatten it out, flatten it out. Y'all know the drill. When I'm folding this bib style, I like to begin with the front facing down so the pattern shows when the fold is done. I also make sure the bib is always buttoned. Next, bring the bottom towards the top like so to create a beautiful rectangle. Y'all know your girl loves rectangles. Even though this part is sticking out right now, to me it's okay because it won't be noticed at the end. By the way, my baby is with me as I'm folding because she wants to be held, so welcome to my world. Next, flip the bib over so the neck part is inside the fold, and from left to right, fold it over in half and you're done. I use this particular bib folding technique in her baby cart, which makes them easily accessible since they are sitting inside a bin. And if you're interested in seeing how I organized her baby cart, I'll leave that video in the description box below. Yes. I file stack them in the bin so I can grab them and go. Alrighty, let's fold it again. So with the bib buttoned, that is very hard to say, lay it pattern side down or right side down. Next, take the bottom and fold it up, meeting the top portion. Flip it over and from the left to the right, fold it in half. I wanted to do a few on camera so you can see how easy this folding technique is. This is how I like to sit them in the bin, again, so I can grab them and go. At this moment, ease and simplicity is really important to me. All right, so let's go on to the next fold. So we have a lot of these muslin bibs, so folding them a certain way is crucial in the baby's space. So as before, lay the bib down on a flat surface, and this time not button, with the bottom facing you, like so. This time we won't be creating a rectangle, I know, shocker. We will be creating a small triangle. If the bib had a design you wanted to expose at the end, you would start with a design side facing down. Next, from left to right, you're going to fold the bib in half, creating this sideways triangle. Then you're going to take the folded corner and fold it up, creating this triangle. And then you're done. You can sit it up or even flat. Really, it doesn't matter how you lay it, as long as it works for you. All right, let's do it again. With the bib laying flat, take the left side and fold it over to meet the right side, creating this sideways triangle. Then take the folded corner and fold it up towards the opposite side, creating this even smaller triangle, and that is it. And this is basically how they look together. They are evenly folded, and wherever you put them, they are easy to grab, which is so important to me. Let's try and see if they'll stand, and if they do, they are perfectly folded. Let's see. Will they stay? Will they stay? Will they stay? Bam! They stayed. All right, so let me know in the comment section below if the video was easy to follow, and also let me know what I should fold next. All right, as always, thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I got the baby and I got the big baby.